A story time with Nana Lisa presentation of Hanna Hippo's Horrible Hiccups by Barbara de Rubertis, illustrated by R.W. Alley. Alpha Betty's class. Hey, Riley Bear and friends, look at all the people in Alpha Betty's class. There's Alexander Anteater and Bobby Baboon, Corky Cub, Dilly Dog, Nina Nandu, Oliver Otter, Polly Porcupine, Quentin Quokka, Eddie Elephant, Francis Frog, Gertie Gorilla, Hanna Hippo, Rosie Raccoon, Sammy Skunk, Tessa Tiger, Uma Unka, Izzy Impala, Jeremy Jackrabbit, Kylie Kangaroo, Lana Llama, Victor Vicuna, Walter Warthog, Xavier Ox, Maxwell Moose, Yoko Yak, Zachary Zebra. Teacher, Alpha Betty. That's a lot of people, aren't there? How many people are in your class? Hanna Hippo was humming a happy tune as she left Alpha Betty's school. She was hoping to have a heap of Homer Hogg's heavenly huckleberry muffins. Hanna was a happy hippo, but like all hippos, she was hungry at the end of the day. Very hungry. And nothing made her tummy happier than those huckleberry muffins. Hanna saw Homer Hogg's bakery at the top of the hill ahead. Hi-ho, hum-de-dum, hippity-hop, here I come, Hanna hollered. Hanna happily began to hop up the hill. Soon she was huffing and puffing. It was a high hill. Hanna hauled her heavy feet higher and higher. This is hard work, she said. But the hope of having Homer Hogg's heavenly huckleberry muffins helped her along. Here I come, Homer, she hollered ahead. Homer hollered back, Hurry, Hanna, have some huckleberry muffins while they're hot. That was just what Hanna needed to hear. She hustled right to the top of that hill. Hanna was very happy to see Homer. She gave him a huge hippo hug. Hi, Homer, she said. I'll have a... Oh, no, said Hanna unhappily. I have hiccups. I can't eat huckleberry muffins while I have hiccups. How horrible, Hanna, said Homer. Try holding your breath. Hanna held her breath. Then she hiccuped again. Hold your breath and hop up and down, said Homer. Hanna held her breath. She hopped up and down, and then she hiccuped again. Hanna howled, Please help me, Homer. Here, said Homer, have a hot cup of tea with honey. Hanna held the cup of tea. She had a sip. She had another sip. She had still another sip. And then Hanna hiccuped harder than ever. Oh, no. Hanna was very unhappy and very hungry. She tried to hide her huge tears from Homer. Suddenly, she heard a humongous squawk. Hanna hopped high in the sky. Hoppin' hippos, Hanna hollered. What was that? Hi, Hanna, said Hilda Hen. I heard your hiccups, so I hurried over to help. You gave me a horrible scare, Hilda, said Hanna. But Hanna, said Homer, that horrible scare must have helped. I don't hear any more hiccups. You're right, said Hanna happily, and she gave Hilda Hen a huge hippo hug. Hilda, said Hanna, let's both have some of Homer's huckleberry muffins. Oh, happy day, said Hilda. Homer handed them a plate of hot muffins. They looked absolutely heavenly. Thank you, Homer, said Hilda. Thank you, Homer, said Hanna. And Homer said, Hey, Riley Bear and friends, I hope you guys don't get the hiccups anytime soon.